Hey guys, Tim Walling here with SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. What I came here today to show you is, this is a small mini revolver, sometimes called a mouse gun, pocket gun. You've actually got a metal lockbox here. So your gun comes in here, you got keys for it. Now, is this lockbox actually designed to stop a real thief from stealing this firearm? No, it is not, but it is a great place to lock your gun up and keep the kids away from it and to secure your firearm while you're not with your gun. This gun is made by NAA, North American Arms. It is a 5-shot. Now you can get them in 22 long rifle, 22 Magnum. This one is a 22 Magnum that I have. It is a little mini revolver. Really nice gun. These guns are made out of all stainless steel. This gun actually comes with a night sight on it here, which is really nice. The newer models of these have a safety feature on them where you go to half cock with them. You do not want to dry fire this gun. You may damage your firing pin here on the front of this hammer. Firing pin's all the way forward. Pull it back just a little bit, you hear it click, and now it's at half cock, so it's on safe so that you can carry it that way. The firearm comes this way with this small grip on it, and I've ordered some extra grips for it because I want to see what it's going to do with bigger grips. This to me seems like it's going to be a little hard to hang on to and fire. So this is the Black Widow grip. Now I ordered this, it said it would fit the pug, so let's see what we get. Basically, well, just the grip. One screw in the middle. Let's undo the screw. So this is what we get in the package. You get 2 grips, 1 screw. Snaps right in. Well, that was pretty easy to do. Let's try this side. Spin it around the right way. Line it up. Snaps right in. And now we're going to tighten this up. Alright. Well, if nothing else, these grips are really easy to install on this gun. Let's load this up and let's go shoot it real quick. Now, here it is with the little leather case that I made to drop it in to protect it. Comes right off. So let's put this back in our pocket and let's shoot this guy with this grip on it. I gotta admit, even before I shoot it, best feeling grip out of all of them in your hand. The way it's curved and has the finger grooves in it here, feels really good to hang on to it this way. Let's see how it does. We're gonna move. I like this grip, and look at the target. Look at the pattern here. We got five shots right in the red on this target. We did 2 yards with it. Let's jump back to 4, see how we do with it. We are clear. Take a quick peek. One-handed 4 yards. I'm not using the sights, guys. I'm just pointing this gun and shooting. Here's where I was trying to aim. I got him here, 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 2 here, and here. So we're still inside the center of our target, right, while we're shooting this thing. 4 yards away, one-handed, no sights, just firing the gun. Let's load it up and move back, see how we do. Okay, we're 8 yards back, so let's aim this time. At 8 yards, you should have time to actually aim your firearm. So let's see how we do. We're clear. 8 shots. 8 shots. 5 shots. 8 yards. Let's walk down here. Alright guys, completely my fault when I fired that time. I was aiming here at the firearm. I was aiming here with the pistol, and I'm all over the left edge. So let's go back and aim over here like we're supposed to. We learned that on these other targets, to aim low right on your target. So let's back up and do that one more time just to be fair. So we're 8 yards away. Let's try this one more time, and we've reloaded. So let's go. All right. Okay, let's check that out. I'll show you where I was aiming and where we're hitting at. Whole lot better. So I'm actually aiming at this location on the target in order to impact right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're right here in the center where we want to be with this 8 yards away from our target. So it can be done. You just got to learn how the sights function and work on this firearm to get the rounds where you want them at the distance you're at. Any firearm, it just takes practice with that firearm. So one more time, as fast as we can, right here. Let's come from the holster and let's see how quick we can just get 5 shots on this target at this distance, okay? So let's actually put it in the holster like we're gonna carry it in our pocket. Let's see if we can get it out without it being stuck in that holster also, and get those shots off real quick as we can here. I'm gonna pull it out. All right, 5 shots, really fast. And you seen I got hung on the holster a little bit. Holster came out and hit the ground, but that's fine. We don't need that anymore. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 shots here, and that's just sticking the pistol out and pointing it. So the person standing in front of you, all of them do make contact over to this side of the target. So just to give you an idea of how these guns perform, how you can use them, I actually really like this thing. It is fun to shoot. I'm enjoying it. And it does seem to be pretty quick. It's staying on target. Even if you're at a distance, you can still hit what you want to hit with this thing. Just takes a little bit of tweaking with these sights so you can get it on target there. So I enjoyed the gun. I liked it. I think I am going to be carrying this gun. It's just a backup gun, just in case everything else fails. On my right side here, I have got the SIG P365 set up, but just in case anything happens and goes wrong, we've got one more small firearm for backup if we need it. So remember, folks, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearms. Till next time, everybody, take care and be safe, folks.